Welcome back to another video. This is honestly my A++ setup that I trade every single day at New York Open, and it honestly has yet to fail. I have so little evidence of it ever failing. So I'm gonna give you a little breakdown as to what it is, like what I look for in the market every single day at New York Open, and I'm gonna give you a little demonstration, like a live example on the charts. So first thing you want to do is you always want to do a top-down analysis. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Say this is a 1 hour time frame, we have our buy side liquidity. Then what we want to do, say this is a chart, we come up, sweep the buy side, come back into the zone, automatically retest back, and then we continue our trend down. So say we come in, sweep the buy side. Also on the hourly time frame, you do want to hope that we have some form of fair value gap. Once we have that gap, maybe paired with an SMT, that would also be very nice. Then once you have these confirmations on the hourly time frame, you want to jump down to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you can see that we have a manipulation leg. Along with the manipulation leg, we have either a market structure shift or a change of a state. I prefer market structure shifts because they're more proven to work rather than change of states. Second, you see that happen, you want to take a standard deviation or just discount, take a Fibonacci retracement tool, and once you hit that 0 0.5, which is right here, right at that 0 0.5, you would take your entry and look for longs. I mean, shorts. So let's not waste some time. Let's get into a live example, and I'll show you exactly what I'm trying to say. On the live example, we can see right away on the hourly time frame, we have a form of sell side liquidity. And what is sell side liquidity? It's a very strong area where there's a lot of people that have buy orders, stop orders, you name it. It's a very popular area. And a lot of breakout traders, when they see that this line gets break in, they want to jump in and continue a short position. But us ICT traders, we actually take this as a reversal. So on the hourly time frame and the 4 hour time frame, we have a very nice sell side liquidity. Pairing that sell side liquidity, we also have a fair value gap. Again, aligning the time frames, this is beautiful. Also with ES, you we also had a SMT. Higher time frame, we have three confluences as to why we want to go up. So this is a no-brainer. Let's jump down to the 1 minute time frame and let's find our entry. Because higher time frame, we know we want to go. So we are looking for longs. We have a bullish bias. So let's see if we can get an entry. So we're playing around, we're playing around. Right here, we had a little manipulation leg, which was very nice. And this can be our market structure shift. But I'm not that crazy about it because of this little bull candle we had. So that kind of broke the manipulation. Not that crazy about it. But let's see. Maybe we can get a second entry, which we don't have any break yet. Or maybe right here, which we do. We have that manipulation right over here. That's very nice. Now let's see if we can get a break right above this previous high right after the manipulation leg to create a market structure shift. Do we break it? Oh, we're close. Yes, we break it. Full body close, meaning we're gonna take our position and stop loss. Where is it gonna go? Right below the previous lows. Take profit. We're going to take our standard deviation from the start right to the end of manipulation and standard deviation right to that negative 2.5, which is perfect because it aligns right with this top. And guys, just to even make it better, look at all of this generated sell side liquidity. Look at this. We are going to take out all of these highs and lows guaranteed. So let's play this out. We're going, we're going, we're going. Over here, as you can see, we had a little strong test because of this fair value gap, but let's continue going. And it's honestly as simple as that. So take profit was hit. Let's see, are we going to go higher? Maybe come up to these highs? Not 100%, but let's see what it says. And we do. We can honestly even go up to these highs. I would not even be surprised. But that's at -4 getting taken on the standard deviation. That's my rule. I don't ever want to go higher than that -4 standard deviation. Yeah, this is honestly my A plus strategy. I trade it every single day at New York Open, and at least 3 times a week it's shown. So guys, if you can master the strategy, bro, you're golden. Like trust me. But yeah, so that's gonna be the end of the video today. If you were interested, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments maybe what you want to see next. And if you want to join my Discord, I just created a little community. If you're interested, link is down below. And yeah, hope you have an amazing day.